Is this working today? Okay. What's up, everybody? Back with another FX replay. We're going to be playing for a little bit. A few games here, just a few games. A few matches. If you guys are interested, probably going to be live streaming this a bit, as well as some live trading again, but we'll see. Let's do a top step to start. But yeah, if you guys are interested in joining this battle, I'll post the link in the description or the comments. And if you guys are interested, if you're watching in the after this is already uploaded, hit the subscribe button. We're going to be doing some of these battles. Actually, no, we'll do NQ. Let me see. Everyone in my Discord's probably sleeping, but just see real quick. All right. Put that in here. In here. Are they already spamming start? I'm sure. Alrighty, back to the fib strat. Guess we could trade the 1 minute yeah. This was the previous day, 9:30. Why is there not? The volume looks wonky. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I guess, yeah. United States or New York. Yeah, that's what I thought. This was 9:30. That's what I thought. There was no way that was 9:30. This is 9:30. We do have some good push to the upside. I want to go with that or wait for it to be swept first. It's decent volume. We'll just go with that 9:30. Expansion, even though there wasn't a sweep first, so we could get swept. Really should be easy. Doing half risk for. Probably should be doing half risk for this at first, yeah. We're gonna drag. Stops to break even though it's just a game. Should be pushing it, but Alright, looks like that was a good break even there. Now we had the sweep of the 930 liquidity. It's the end of the day. Let's go to speed up to the next day quickly. Thursday, what's up with this time? Wow. Yeah, just ticked out that previous day 930 liquidity or lows. So I was worried to be I was right to be worried about a sweep there. Did I just skip? No. Okay, mark out. Let me mark this. And we're in the 1 minute chart, so. Alright, looks like we have some pre-market liquidity, Asian session liquidity, 6 o'clock here. And now we'll slow this back down. Good expansion off that, but we'll wait for a sweep ski first. Go figure. Good expansion. We probably could have just used that, but it would have been nice to see a sweep. We skip? No, it's still pre 930. 755. Interesting. Very nice pump there. The fucker. Again, it would be possible that this is a break of structure and we could play the fib again here, but it would be nice to get a sweep first. We actually already are tapping into the fib. Unbelievable. So we just we missed 2 trades off the breaks here. 930 came in and pushed up to TP. I was waiting for a sweep. Whatever. I'm trying to be a little better than last night. Last night was terrible. We had a great time last night. We had a great time last night, but the trading was terrible. Nice quick tiger. Isn't quick tiger from last night as well? Does he just play this game all day? That was unfortunate, missing some really good trades right then. Okay, should be around the market open. Yep, market open. Should we use that previous day? I think I will. Ooh. Previous day is a bit rough though, isn't it? What would that end up looking like? Yeah, no. We'll try to sweep that out and then come up for the highs. We're running out of time, so we need to hit a nice one here. We'll go for the extreme highs there. It would be kind of sad to see it react to that. Nope. Oh, pause. Okay, so beautiful trade. Normally I would be taking profit right here. What's the profit at? Who's on the leaderboards right now? 390. We could secure the win right now if he doesn't hit another trade. This guy's a bot, dude. I swear to God, Quick Tiger's a bot. He was on last night. He's just like always in P&L, always. I don't know if he's just he's like constantly in a trade. He's back up to 690. Let's drag stops. That would be unfortunate. Let's see if we could get this. Fuck. Should have taken profit at the highs. Let's just close that there. All right, decent one. Already going a bit better than yesterday. Good trade. All right, the game is bugged out, but looks like we're in the lead right now. So, Quick Tiger. What did he just leave? What happened? He got eliminated. So yeah, his strategy is just like clearly over risking. He was in great profit, could have won the game, and then he got eliminated. Must have went over max drawdown. So 47 seconds left. I won. Nice win. This could be a nice setup again. We'll let it run out and see. But for right now, we secured the dubs. We secured the W, so that's all I wanted to do. And we had a nice 100% win rate there. Oh, yep, there we go. So good thing I didn't do that because it just hunted that liquidity. Hunted that liquidity perfectly. Nice W. Damn, no one's here. That stinks. It is a little late, 11. 11's usually when we stop live streaming. That's it. Didn't we risk 1% on that and we just made a huge trade? That was at least a 1 to... What's going on? Dude, this website is bugged out, man. I would promote FX Replay, except the website's so bugged out. 100% win rate, 2 trades. We made a profit of $400. I mean, you guys seen we had a profit of over 1100 or something there. So this game is absolutely bugged out, but at least we got the W. It just I don't know. This game is so buggy, man. So buggy. Let's see if when we go on our home profile or join battles, let's see if it actually. Nope, final balance 50,400. So yeah, completely bugged out. It even says wow. I don't understand FX Replay. If anybody at FX Replay ends up watching this, you guys really need to get your coding, get your shit together because it's just nothing is right. I mean, I know it's probably hard, but geez, man. Euro USD ranked. It is a ranked game. 10 minutes max drawdown. All right, let's join this actually. We'll trade some Euro. I'm a young Warren Buffett. I'm a young Warren Buffett. Go go. Start. 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 Hi baby. Is this guy just not gonna start it till there's 10 people in here? Probably, right? This is why I just host my own, because people are really annoying. Yeah. All right, buddy. Yeah. Fucking annoying, man. What a dumbass. Okay. I guess we'll do a top step and we'll do an FTMO. Even though, wouldn't you know, I had a 100% win rate watching the sessions that time. The session opens. Last night we were just kind of winging it, having fun. Probably should have been doing that last night too. FTMO challenge, $100,000 FTMO, blah blah blah. Here we go. Here we go. We'll do Euro, USD. We'll do odd USD. We'll do Great British Pound USD. And we'll do GJ. Profit target 10%, max draw 10%, 5%. Actually, I know it's 5% on FTM. Yeah, we'll do that. And we'll do 2 because FTMO really doesn't like when you go above 2. All right. Let me go check. Can I share the link? There you go. Why do I have to do this every time? see. Because it doesn't look right again. Where the fuck? N. Are we already on New York? What's going on? Yeah. Okay, don't know why I have to update this every time and why it doesn't save. It'd be nice if it's saved. Well, we had a decent break of structure to the upside. 9:30 volume already happened here. We had a sweep. We're sweeping out. So, oops, no, I wanted to be in the 1 minute. 5. Morning volume held. Let's see. Or morning lows held, excuse me. We're chopping. Reacting off the fib. Alright, must have been some random news. Looks like 12:30. It's weird. Of course, that would have worked out pretty well, huh? We had a break to the upside. I still just don't like this chalk, and you know what? I'm just gonna use all of this as liquidity and use this break of structure over here. Let's do that, but first look at the higher time frames as well. Yikes. What a shitty chart. Probably should have it down here, but let's send this. Don't know how I feel about this trade right now. Looks like it's gonna downtrend through the trade, but all right, definitely don't really like this trade as much as I thought I was going to. Yeah, we'll see though. It does look like it's just gonna downtrend through the trade until it takes some liquidity. But let's see, we got into some profit. See if it, after breaking this structure, let's see if it reacts from this fib now. And that order block that just broke structure on the lower time frames there, if it goes below this fib, it really shouldn't though. Ooh. Looks like we either got, looks like, well, that actually got, I just deleted that, but wow, that was actually a trade in itself right there. Again, said it should react from that nicely. Of course, we're having a great trading session now. Of course, we're having a great backtesting session now. Last night was terrible. Now we're actually representing good here. Was this morning? That could have been a beautiful trade just right there. But hopefully, again, this should hold and we should come up. Fortunately, now it would have just been nice to take that instead of this higher time frame trade, because we could still get shit on here with some news. All right, beautiful. And I have PTSD. I take profits even on a game. So, yeah, two beautiful trades right there. You know, I went with this high and low. We built up some liquidity. You know, 50% of the fib retracement tapping into the 618, and it might have even went down to the 786 there before creating another chalk right here and tapping into the 618 of that. So it could have been two beautiful trades, but oh yeah, what an awesome, already an awesome session. And wouldn't you know, we cashed out the highs, it looks like. I'm definitely good with that cash out. Was only a 1.3% gain, really, no shit. Okay, guys, but wow, guys, wow. And that's exactly why I just said I have PTSD at take profits because they never fucking hit. So we just actually cashed out the top to the tick. Very nice. Thank God I didn't trade any of that. What garbage. I feel like I remember this day. Where are we? We can't tell the days. I wouldn't remember from the price, but I swear to God, I remember this day. I swear to God, I remember this chart. Oh my God. Imagine it's like some actual smart person's like, nah, this was like 1997. Be like, oh shit. No, I swear to God, though, I was here for this. All right, we have a nice, obviously a sweep and a break now in the higher time frames. Oh my God, that's a huge sweep and break. So we'll definitely play this once we confirm a high. All right, we definitely confirm. I think we could call that the high. Buy one, buy one. Risk. How do we make so little last trade? We'll speed this up a little bit here. Ooh. Well, it looks like first loss in the books. We just got absolutely trended through. Looks like it's going to sweep that low, sweep that liquidity before making some lower time frame chalks down here. Interesting. It looks like we already had one here. Wow, what a tap in. So yeah, after we swept that low, if I wasn't going so fast, we could have went with this sweep chalk here. And the reason it makes it a good sweep chalk is because we came down and we swept this liquidity. So we can expect some sort of reversal to the upside at that point. That would have been a beautiful trade. I don't know if I would want to play this though, because again, we are downtrending now. Even though it looks like that just also. Damn, I had it a little too sped up again. We were got to slow it down here for a sec. We could have confirmed that high, but we are still downtrending, so let's just wait for. This is going to be a good one, it looks like, though. I'd rather play short, and there you go. That's why we didn't take that. We were still downtrending, and now we could possibly take one of these shorts, although let's check the higher time frames because we might be getting into. Wow, we actually, dude, I remember this. I swear to God. We actually just made a big top here. So we could either go with this expansion and send that, or we could go with literally this high and this low. But now we're talking about really higher time frame plays here. Oh, and we actually already are tapping into that as we speak. Let me just look. It's probably more like it's more like a weekly play at this point. Yeah, there's just too much rejection really off those highs to be going with. To be going with a long. Oh, 30 seconds. Well, I might as well have just sent it for fun. Oh no, we won the game, so never mind. 30 seconds. I'm gonna just let the dubs. I'm gonna just get these dubs here. But yeah, good game, good game. Actually, let's run it out though, just to see. I didn't place the trade. Let's see if it bounces off that and comes to the upside. Nope, went through. So yeah, GG. Good game, everybody. What? Dude, this game. Okay, so I guess we got second. I don't know if this guy YOLO'd at the end or what just happened, but P&L 1,086. Oh, I thought they meant 100. I thought they meant I made $86. Like, because it was this game is really bugged out with everything. I thought we were in first place when I was checking the leaderboards. We were well into first, but okie dokie. I'll still take it. We got the ELO back up from last night. Last night we were at a 1200 ELO, and you know, now we're back up. Guess we'll do one more top step. One more top step battle quick. The last one was an FTMO. Now we'll go back to a top step. It's funny you could trade XLM on here. But we'll do YM, ES, and NQ. And we did NQ before, so now let's do YM. We'll do YM 6%, 4%, 4%, and we'll let people do whatever they want, even though every time I let people choose their risk, we get some dill hole that just sends a fucking, yeah, actually we'll let them do 2%, but someone always just joins, sends a random trade, and, you know, either leaves the game because they got max drawdown or they just win in the first 5 seconds. So we have to put a max risk there. Ah, man, my people are not on right now. They're all sleeping. A lot of Europeans, so you guys, I think it's way later in the afternoon for you guys at this point, right? No shit. Right when I said, right when I said no one's gonna show up because everyone's sleeping. I don't know how I did not win the last game. This game is so bugged, Maddie. It just had me in first place. The game ended, and then someone randomly was ahead of me. But we just what did we just pull like a almost 100% win rate this live stream, so that's good. I'll jinx it now. 540? Oh, that's not bad. What the fuck? I got blood on me. My lips bleeding. Dry ass lips because of the winter time. So Maddie's in. Maddie's in. We gotta wait for one more person. Last night, Bream joined. Bream joined the games last night. Took all my ELO from me. Yeah, we'll do it Monday. We'll do it Monday. Monday's trading session. It's probably way better than this website. This website's so bugged, but we've been having fun, and I think it's gonna be good live streaming content. Be nice if people would join. The battles section is a little scuffed on exit. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's what I said. It seems to be like, yeah, they have good backtesting software. I haven't tried the strategy session. I haven't tried the strategy section of it or the battle section of it, but or the strategy tester or the backtesting part. but I know it's good because I watched you do it. We did a back testing session on Friday. For people watching this in the future, if anyone does, which they probably won't. Um, me and Maddie are live in Discord every day trading. Yeah. Yeah, if they get their shit together, Happy Tiger. If they get their shit together, FX Replay, and like refine this website, I would definitely promote it. And I'd definitely try it out. I definitely would buy it too. I would pay the $15 if the website was like not fucking scuffed for me. Righty. Dude, last night we had a battle with max people. It was 10 out of 10 people and it was fucking awesome. Alright, let's see. Previous daily session volume is down here. It looks like a decent sweep break. We'll go for it. Thursday. We're still in the same day there. Interesting chart. Kind of hard to tell if we're in a downtrend or not. What is this? This is a 0.5. I usually like to hit it with a 1. I usually like to hit it with a 1% right away, but I don't know if it's gonna sweep this session. Oh, fuck. Oh, I didn't adjust the fib. Now I'm okay, that was way too quick. All right, let's debate whether I should stay in this trade really quick because it's towards the end of the day. This was the previous session low. Kind of wanted that to hit in here. I wanted that retracement and expansion to happen here by the end of the day. We have a while. We have all night Asian session, definitely. Definitely not liking the outcome of this trade, or I mean how it looks so far. Because we are arranging an Asian session now. It'll probably go sweep in the morning. We'll see Friday. Yep. Holy fucking shit. Okay, well that made no sense because that was out of session. Must have been London session or something. I have no idea. I got the good charts. They gave me the good ones. Fucking dog shit. Alright, let's go a little slower here. Friday we already missed. A lot of imbalance there. I like that sweep and break the way it looks, but this is still out of session. Get me to 9:30. Don't tell me that. Actually, just fucking. Oh my god, look at that. Are you kidding? Well, like I just said, that looked like a decent sweep break, and we would have just missed anyway. Still waiting for 9:30. Alright, still just. They gave me the wackest charts. Holy fuck. Alright, yeah, awesome, cool, really awesome fucking chart. Ay, 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 dude. Look on the higher time frames. Oh, someone won? 26 per. Did I not put risk on it? How did he just put. Oh my god. Dude, are you kidding? Wow. What a dick, dude. Did I put the 2% risk on or what? Dude, I hate when people do this, bro. I hate when people do. How did he? I did 2% of drawdown, didn't I? Or what did I not? 2%. I did 2% risk per trade. He hit. You're telling me he hit 26% in one trade. I would like to know how the fuck he just did that. He must have got extremely lucky in a market order. Because that does not make even sense. That's why I put the risk per. That's why I put the risk per trade at 2%, so people can't just join the game YOLO and ruin the whole game. We only hit one loss and we didn't even get to trade. I only hit one. Oh my god. All right, let's do another one. Maddie joined. And some people in here. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to. That's what I usually do, but I feel like 2%'s fair, you know, let people push it a little bit if they want, but like because that's ridiculous. He must have just marketed he must have just marketed we'll do an FTMO challenge now. He must have just marketed a buy order and got extremely lucky at news or something. Yeah, I hate when people do that, dude. It ruins the fucking game, man. Like, good, you won. Ooh, congratulations. But like, Jesus, man. Fucking yeah, we could all YOLO shit, you stupid fucker. Um, I should do 1%, right? Just to make it fun. 2%'s good. We got. I was gonna say, fucking people eventually when they catch on are just gonna start stream sniping and YOLOing every time we try to start a game. But FTMO they allow 2%, so we're just making it as accurate as possible. Yo, yo, yo. Yo. The third 1200 elo. I just lost 100 elo again? Dude. Maddie, how are you staying at 1,000 elo? Can you go below it? Pretty sure I've seen people below it. Alright, I'm back at 1,000 elo, which is incredibly frustrating because we just made 100. We made 100. Tell me, the elo doesn't make sense, bro. I was like, I'm gonna get to 1,500 easy, but it doesn't make sense. That fucking match, it must just be on the rank you finish and not any other statistics or something because we just lost fucking not even 1%. We lost 0.5% in that battle, and then the dude YOLOs, and I lost literally all the 3 battles worth of elo that I won. I've won the last 3 battles, and then fucking all my elo gets erased. That's fucking retarded. Ay, ay, ay. Clever elephant and Perry the elephant. This game is fucking weird with this website's weird with making bot names, or not bot names, but like the Xbox and choose your name for you before you change it names. Clever Elephant, Perry the Elephant. Set to 5 minutes. We have a big break to the downside. Interesting though, we are at lows, reacting off lows pretty well. So we're either news is either going to come down and sweep all three of these equal lows, or we're gonna hold this. So it's either I short here off this break, or I just long out of this. I think I'm willing to try to long out of this right now, actually, if it breaks this high. And we could do 1% risk, yeah. I usually like limiting order the retracement. But again, like I said, news is either going to pop down and just shit through all of these equal lows, or we're just going to hold this low. So we'll see. Looks like we'd be liquidating. Yep, we liquidated the people that would go short off this break. Oop. Well, that's interesting, guys, to take note of here. We had a break of structure to the downside, went and swept out the people that would be shorting. Maddie, Jesus! Stop YOLOing! 5% with the 1 to 5. Tell me you did that on the 1 minute, you dirty dog, with a 1 to 5. All right. So we swept. So this isn't looking great for my position right now at this point, because we did not close above those highs. All right, let's speed this up so we could get this loss or win out of the way. Oh my God, I'm getting fucking cooked here. You guys are, dude, is everyone YOLOing it now? 5%? I believe Maddie, because I watch Maddie hit 1 to 5s all the time. I believe he did it. He could do it with a 1 to 5, but you fucking guys are fucking. Get the fuck out of here. Did I just actually get broke even hunted on a game? Oh my God, dude. Oh, no, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. We're good. Well, the trade is actually still playing out. It would have been nice if we got the break to the downside, because then I could short this. I mean, I guess we could. 12 o'clock. Let's go with this. Let's try a short. We'll go with this sweep break. I know, and then my original longs are gonna hold right now. Oops. My original longs are gonna hold right now because of what I... Fucking idiot. That's why I just like holding for losses, but... Yikes. I would have wanted that to happen, because now, again, now we just got a sweep chalk to the upside. Ay, do I hold these shorts, or is this becoming an SMC trap at this point? Ooh, I don't like how it keeps breaking every structure. Definitely don't like the way this is looking for me right now. We'll send it. Yep. Oh, Jesus. Now it just reacted. Now it just reacted perfectly here. Yikes. Alright, again, it should have reacted to this now nicely. Yikes, this trade, man. I'm getting chopped up here. I'll be honest, guys, I'm getting I'm getting out of this trade, and the reason why is because honestly, I feel like the uptrend again. I should have just stayed in the longs here. Yep. All right. Perfect. Closed right before the SL. Closed right before I would have taken that SL. Pretty silly. I got all into this right here and could have just stayed in these fucking longs for the take profit. Can I control Z all this back? Alright. Well, that's fucking annoying. Let's see if it gave us anything here. Oh my goodness. It wouldn't have got us in. 618 gang. You risk 2%. Still a nice trade though. The thing is, look, now he just took a 2% loss. That's why I'm letting people risk 2% because it's, you know, could just not help you, you know. It's nice when you win, not nice when you lose. We have an interesting, decent expansion to the downside. You know, it's either I'm going with this right here or I should be going with this again. Maybe let's do both. What the fuck, bud? Fucking this website, man. Oh man, so there's two. Come on, this website is so bugged, dude. Could also finally go down for that liquidity. I'm basically in the same trade I was in before. Yeah. Not looking great anymore. Let's speed this up again. We're running out of time. All right. I didn't like how it just chilled out there right on that order. Slow down, slow down. Another game where we only lost one fucking trade and we're gonna lose ELO. Okay. Who's winning? Who's winning? Oh my god, Matt, you're still chilling in that profit. Have you just made that profit and then just stopped? I would do the same. I would do the same. I would like, fuck that. Dude, what are these charts they gave me? They gave me the fucking... I guess I'm too high of a time frame. I'm only on the 5-minute though. It's just chopping, man. It's the craziest chop. Jesus, man. Dude, look at this chop right here. Oh my god. I should just send a buy or something. Yeah, of course that works. This is the worst chop I'm fucking looking at here. 30 seconds. 21. Let's send the 2% risk. 4 hours. Go, go, go. Oh, dude, tell me I missed the trade at the end of the fuck by a pip. Oh, oh my fucking god. What? Bro, they make no fucking sense. Bro, so I think the game, I swear to God, I seen people under ELO because it says game 700 to 1,000 ELO. But how did I just gain ELO when I just fucking lost 3% and lost the game? That makes no fucking sense, dude. This website is not making sense to me. Nothing on this fucking website. Oh, nice, Maddie. Maddie with the W's in chat for Maddie. Yeah, I was 6. I lost 2 trades, but we sent it. Or I lost 1 trade, but we sent 1 at the end. Or 2, maybe. Yeah, 2 for... We sent 1 at the end. A YOLO on the 4-hour. Or sped it up to the 4-hour. Alright, let's do one. Let's do like 1 more. My daughter's gonna wake up soon. She's sleeping. We'll do a top step challenge. Wait, did we just do top step or did we just do FTMO? I don't even remember. Whatever, I don't care. Let's do this one quick. Let's trade YM this time. Alright, good. Yeah. Maddie, you're bad luck. I was killing everybody at the beginning of the live stream. Maddie joins. Maddie joins and fucking. Dude, imagine having like, imagine this gets popular. We do like trade wars. I'll pay the biggest trading influencers to battle it out. We'll fucking pay them to battle it out. We'll advertise it like a boxing match. They probably already do this. Do people already do this? I don't know. You know how there was like the old kill streams with the debates? With the political debates, the kill streams? We'll do the trade and kill stream. Trade wars. Fucking I don't even know the most popular trading influencers, but we'll do a versus. Actually, I have seen exchanges do like the live trading verse-offs to see who makes the most money by the end of the day. But just a simulated trade wars would be pretty cool. Yeah, that would be cool. Should I write public matches? Join up. Yes, good advice, Maddie. This is going to be the last battle for today, guys. But if you're watching right now, hit the subscribe button. We'll be back live trading on Monday. Well, should I live trade Monday, Maddie? Maybe. Maybe not. Let's see what's going to happen first with what's going on, our current situation in the FTMO. Me and Maddie will be live, though, on Discord. So join the Discord if you guys feel like it. But if not, hit the subscribe button, and we're going to be doing these battles on Monday for sure. We're definitely going to, maybe after the trading session, if you're up for a few battles, Maddie. So it's late after our trading set, but it's around the same time. But yeah, maybe after tomorrow's live trading session, we're going to hit some of these battles as well. So hit the subscribe button and join up if you guys feel like it. The game is free. The website's free. Don't need to pay anything, and trust me, I would not pay anything for this right now because it's bugged the fuck out, but Yeah, it's just, dude, like I was saying, dude, the whole live stream last night, I don't know if you watched it, but it was just like the worst luck. And I was just like, I was feeling cursed after Friday. Like, Maddie, did you see the Euro trade? By the way, guys, we I'm tempted to boot up the fucking trading view charts right now because Jesus fuck, man. The most cursed trader. Maddie said if you don't get in, and dude, the whole time, YM and like I might just go back to futures, bro. I'm really not even joking. YM and NQ are just fucking printing setups every fucking day. But yeah, we missed the trade by 2 fucking ticks, two pips, and it just shot right up to TP1. Unfucking believable. And you could see how good that looks. And then not only that, but also I canceled this Australian dollar trade. I was gonna go with this break of structure, but after I lost that yesterday too. And also, oh man, it's just so unfortunate. So much shit to go into. Maddie, dude, I left my buy limits on fucking accident, bro. Or my sell limits. So like when I got in this trade here, I left my sell limits on accident. It went up and ticked each one of them out. I opened the charts again right here because I was like, all right, maybe I'll get in this trade. Um, and then I was like, dude, I gotta close out just in case it went up. Like, dude, I ruined the fucking challenge, man. I ruined the fucking challenge. I'm so pissed at myself. By the time I was already up there for another 1% loss, and I closed it at the 1% loss on, for no, and then if I held it, if I ended up holding it, we would have been it would have been like 4 grand profit. We were in 38 cons with the scalp. I was like, bro, with the sell limits. That's another thing I just hate right now, trading off my phone. Like, I don't know what happened, but I forgot about it. Instead of like, I'm so used to trading off of fucking, um, all right, nobody joined the match. I'm so used to trading off of, trading view. God damn, dude, it's so annoying. All right, that was a round session. Well, that's unfortunate. We had a nice sweep here. We had a nice break of structure, nice liquidity, and we definitely just tapped into the order block. Already missing a fucking trade. That's awesome. Already missing the trade. That's awesome. Oh, we're just really choppy here. Well, this would have been the trade right here too. That would have been great. That would have been a spectacular trade. I wonder if I should play this now. Probably not, obviously, because we did not break these highs. Really choppy chart here. We have a bigger break of structure to the downside. I'm sure it already reacted though. Yes, it did already. Wow, so all right, the charts opened up and we missed all of our potential trade setups already. Jesus. Let's play out the charts here. Let me guess, this will come up for a break. Swept out that liquidity. Swept out this liquid. Oh, no, not yet. No, we are just kind of downtrending. I was gonna say if we swept that low, I would have went with this chalk. Damn, Maddie, you're already fucking killing it. I fell out of balance. I'm gonna try to fight trend here off this little chalk. What? Wait, fuck, we're on top step, hold on. Almost 9:30, fuck, 9:30 might blow through. Yeah, I definitely didn't like that break to the downside, so. Alright, 9:30 is coming in. Let's see if we sweep the lows. Alright, we swept the lows. What the fuck? Okay. I got a shitty chart this match. It is YM though, so that's not entirely unsurprising. Of course it did. I was gonna go with that sweep chalk, but it looked like a sweep to the upside too, barely closed. That could have been a setup right there. Wouldn't have hit TP yet. And then we're gonna hit with some weird volume, Let's skip a few hours here. We gotta go to 9:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30. What in the chop, man? I'm getting the worst chop this fucking match. I don't trust any of these breaks to the downside, bro. We got a kind of a sweep, like, it didn't even really sweep. We have equal highs now. Like, how am I gonna, whatever. We'll try to short this. I'm not liking the way it's looking. Woo, Matty dog. Oops. What am I doing? Definitely not really liking these equal highs too much. What the fuck is with this game right now, man? What's going on with this game right now, dude? Alright, I can't. Okay, stop loss. Why is that like that? Risk percentage 0.5. Save and journal. Zero 0.5 would be 250. What's going on with this fucking... Whatever, let's... The trade just disappeared? Dude, what the fuck? I just hit a... Oh my god. Dude, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about with this bugged fucking website. Dude, it has me down for a $250 loss. What the fuck just... Okay, so we just hit a banger trade. Okay, that's a take profit. Oh my god, dude, this website. I'm so happy this is the last game. I'm so... Oh, Maddie, look at the live stream. We just hit this trade and it put us for a loss. I don't understand what just fucking happened, dude. Cool. Alright, so the only trade I was able to get in this whole match and it was a win and it put me for a loss. I'm gonna have to rewatch what just happened, but this website is so fucked up, man. I'm glad it's making me rage off. I'm glad it's making me rage off for the last fucking one. Stupid fucking bullshit website, man. Awesome. What a buggy piece of shit. And they want you to like, they want you to promote it too. Yeah, no. No, not gonna fucking happen. Not promoting this dog shit. Now it's not gonna be bugged out, right? Now it'll be fine. Now it'll make sense, right? Dude, I'm fucking pissed right now. Because if it did what it was supposed to do, we would have been... Alright, we would have been still not even in third place, though, so... We'd still be getting cooked, but at least I wouldn't be in fucking sixth place. Oh, man, dude, this website, FX Replay, you guys really need to get your motherfucking shit together if anyone watches this, because it's unfucking playable, man. It's so bad. God damn. It's fun when a game works out, but that's like what, like fucking 60% of the time? Does shit not bug out? Oh my god. Man. I'm just gonna take this higher time frame. Oh, we already missed it. Cool. We'll probably just get liquidated anyway. I don't even really care though. Daily liquidation catching up with us. Oh, it's the end of the game. We'll just YOLO it. Oh, and that's the game. Okay. Well, fuck you. Fucking FX Replay. Get your motherfucking shit together. Your bugged ass website is just on my last fucking nerve. My last nerve, Maddie. Now I'm gonna YOLO because this fucking shit really just pissed me off. Oh my god. Wow, amazing price action they just gave me. But yeah. That's extremely fucking annoying. I just raged. I just fucking raged. Down 2 trades. I love how the losers work, the winners don't though. I'll have to go rewatch in the live stream what just fucking happened. TradingView should do replay battles. That would be awesome. Yeah, that was a good showing, Maddie. I literally won every game, Maddie, before you got here, and then when you got here, I lost every single game. Even though that game, they just tried to rage me. I literally hit a beautiful trade, and the second it hits in, it just says loss. Like, what? And look, now this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this website. It is fucking unusable. Oh my god. It's like when you need to restart your router 500 times for it to work. Dude, Jesus Christ. Look, the only solution to this, by the way, guys, is just researching FX Replay. Because, whatever. I don't even need to log on again because I'm done, but I would have liked to see. Well, yeah, awesome battle session for you, Maddie. Oh my god, both of you fuckers stole all my ELO. Join battles. Well, we did have a nice 100% win rate until Maddie joined, and then we got absolutely cooked. Thank you, Maddie, for the bad luck. Why am I not in first? Yup. I know, bro. That literally happened to me last game. The last game that I won. It said I was in first the whole time, and then the game ends, and it just says I'm in second, and someone else... Oh. That scared the shit out of me. Well, I guess it's time to stop because the kids are up. Yeah? What's up? You want to say hi to everybody? No? What you doing, Missy? But anyway, yeah, man, the website's bugged. They really need to fix a lot of stuff. That last game just really got on my nerves. What's up? What's the matter? What's the matter? Are you guys hungry? Do you need lunch? No. You're not hungry? I know. I know little Miss Piglet girl is hungry. Oi. What's wrong? Uh, you got food already all over your face. All right. Well, that's the end of the live stream. This is what I'm gonna have to deal with now for the next. What's the matter? Why are you crying? His lips are bleeding. He got blood on him. Oh, are you hungry? You hungry? Okay, okay. Oi. No, not my new mic. All right, boys. Tomorrow I'll be live, and we'll YouTube some live. All right, peace out, peace out, peace out.